Hi, my name is Jack.
What are we going to make?
We're gonna make
A
a nameplate.
nameplate for
My two dogs.
your two dogs?
Yeah.
Are you going to have two separate ones?
I'm not
Because do they share a kennel?
Yes.
They do share a kennel?
Yes.
So do we want two separate ones or one nameplate for both?
One nameplate for
Or both? Or do you want two separate ones? We'll go for two separate ones, eh? Let's go and make something. How big's your dog kennel? Roughly.
About
It'll be wider than that, won't it?
that size.
You reckon your dog kennel's that size?
Yeah.
Okay, so how big do you want the sign? Well, the nameplates. We'll make it that length so it's nice and big.
Yeah.
How much room have you got on above the door where they go in? Quite a lot.
Quite a lot. Yeah.
Okay, if we make it this long, because Johnny's quite a long name, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if we put Johnny on one and Ruff on the other one, so we'll go that, eh?
Yeah.
And that we've decided to make it 30 centimeters or 300 millimeters.
Yeah.
So if you put a mark on the piece of wood, make sure this is kind of flush up this end. See, there's the big line there. That one's 30. That one's 35. Close though. It's very confusing, isn't it? So that's for one.
Yeah.
And then heaps of room for two of them, isn't there? And then how tall do we want it? How tall? Half that height? What's that? That's 180. About that height?
Yeah.
You want it that high? Can you fit two of them that high? You've got to remember we're making two. One for Johnny and one for what's the other dog's name? Ruff. So how high do we want to go? We want to go... We'll go that high. Do you know what these are for?
No.
Do you know what that does?
Cuts.
Cuts wood.
Yeah.
Also can cut my fingers, couldn't it?
Probably.
If it can cut wood, it can cut my fingers.
Yeah.
So I'm going to use this to push it through. And that means my fingers are nowhere near the blade.
Yeah.
Is that smart?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful thinking. $300 There it is. We make it up here. Oh, you cut it too short. Oh, do we? You sure? I didn't say stop, keep going.
We'll get a drink.
Can you get a drink? Is that because you ate a huge cookie?
Maybe.
Do we want them both exactly the same? Does Ruff want a different nameplate from Johnny?
Nah.
So they want them the same?
What do you mean?
The same shape?
We'll give them a different shape.
Different shape? Same here, I've got to come up with a different shape. Go round on the corners. Ruff can be rough.
Yeah.
Alright. Johnny can have the nice one. Do like a bone now.
Bone shape.
Oh, okay. Apparently I've got to make a bone now. Bigger round over. So how are we going to cut these out?
I don't know, what was your idea?
It was your idea to make it. Do you really?
Yeah. Wait, so...
You want to do this by hand? Yeah, we could. It's a lot easier doing it gently, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
she cuts it better.
You don't get jammed up as much.
Yeah. It's probably a little bit short. It'd be easier if you're a little bit taller, wouldn't it? We could do it by hand, but what about... Beep, 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 beep. We use that. Johnny and Ruff.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.